So we previously did a plastic siren horn. Now we're going to do a standard sound model CH888 paging speaker. So this one's kind of trashed, got bent up, don't know the working condition, missing a bracket. They do sell, if you want to do resale on these, if you get a decent one. If you test it and it's working well, you can probably get $30–40 online or elsewhere. They sell new for $75 to $100 and a quarter, thereabouts. So we'll see what this one gives up in scrap. See if it's worth it at all. I assume we're going to get a big speaker. The housing is aluminum. And the speaker and everything's aluminum as well, so we'll get some scrap aluminum out of it in the least. Let's see, is there anything under the label here? Occasionally there will be something, screws under the labels, but apparently not on this one. Okay, so great reveal. What do we have? We've got a ring. That's just a mounting ring, as it turns out, and it doesn't actually separate much. Well, I guess it does. The inside. There we go. So we have a clean piece of aluminum right there. Can quickly clean that. Got a good clean piece of aluminum. Another piece of cast aluminum. So those cleaned up pretty quick. And then we have a cone on the outside, or from the inside. And we'll take it off. There's 3 screws on it. Let's see what else we get here. This one's seen some dampness by the looks of it. But a lot of these are meant for outdoor use anyway. Okay, another clean piece of aluminum. And we have a plastic cone. And a piece of garbage there. And this will be pretty much a scrap steel, I would think, but there are 3 screws, so let's find out what's inside. I should get a good magnet out of it, I would think. Let's see if there's any copper in this. Probably not going to be a lot of copper, but it'll be a minimal amount, I would think. A little hard to there we go. Okay, let's separate these 2 right there. So there's our magnet. Got a big magnet. Not terribly strong, but still a magnet. Got some good weight to it. You can probably throw it in with your steel scrap, I would guess. More trash, and a little tiny strip of copper on some foil. So there's really not much copper in there to make anything worthwhile. Got a little bit of wire, which we'll trim off. And we have a speaker cone. And that's it. Nothing much inside. As you can see, just a solid chunk of plastic. So we have some trash, magnet, and aluminum. Wouldn't bother trapping these for copper, that's for sure. There's very little, just a little tiny bit. So yeah, that's what you can get. basically your values in the aluminum, very minimal and quite light, of course, and a magnet. So there you go. Happy scrapping, guys.